2021 All-Star Game rare pack. Just picked up today. Let's see. Ooh, it's shaking. It's shaking. You see it? Okay, so we got 7 cards. This better be worth $229. This is the highest to date. Hold up. Okay, so you see you get the blue one. This is it. This one's it right here.
Oh shit.
I'll open this one.
I need to open mine on my laptop next time because I didn't see
Yeah,
this
you got to. Okay, Steel Matthias Thibault. He's kind of nice though, right?
Yeah, he's good.
The serial number Sheiks though. Steal and Slam. That's pretty good. I got 26,000 serial. All right, let's see what this one is. 3-pointer. Kobe White.
Kobe White. Wait, who's Kobe White?
He's seems trash.
Kobe White. Yeah, he's good. He's good.
Is he good?
Yeah, no, he's good, bro. He might be
It's
a future
just a
all-star.
3. It's just a 3. No way. All right, 4,000. Oh, Giannis.
Oh shit. Got Giannis.
Ooh, big block.
Get out of here. Yeah, that's lit. That's
and I got a pretty good serial, 4990. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, I'll leave that one for last. Malcolm Brogdon. Rookie of the Year? Okay.
Oh, I got that one too.
You got it?
I got that same one.
Honestly, it's not a bad play, but I mean, Malcolm Brogdon.
Yeah, it's like Malcolm. That was cool.
Yeah. Layup. Ooh, 2-4, 2-7. Rui.
Oh, this guy.
Yeah. Honestly, if he becomes good, like really good, that'd be good because he probably has like a good Japanese following.
Yeah.
All right, last common one before I open the big one.
All right, cool.
Thanasis?
Oh, his brother.
Oh, this man does not deserve a card. It's a nice play, though.
He's actually alright. Like,
Is
he's
he alright?
athletic.
I thought they just got him to keep you honest. Okay, here we go. Pray for me.
Alright, bro, let's go.
Let's see, what team is it?
Team
Durant. Bulls? No!
Wait, layup from who?
Zach.
Zach? That was alright.
It's alright. I'll get my money back. I'll get my money back for this one. I'm definitely selling this one.
You're selling it?
I mean, I don't want this. Alright, that's it for now, guys.